I never thought of joining BNI because I'm not a morning person and I know that there's going to be a lot of commitment. When my sponsor Suchana invited me to BNI, I wanted to join BNI as an actor, but they told me there's no trade as an actor. So I was a bit disappointed and they actually encouraged me to join it as an events organizer to promote culture. So I thought there's something close to my heart because I'm promoting culture in Singapore and overseas all these years as well. BNI has broadened my horizon and I hope to continue to learn from all the BNI members to be a successful enterprising artist and to promote Chinese arts and culture in Singapore and all over the world.